Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite corner for natural skincare that actually works, without breaking the bank and without filling your shelves with products that do nothing. Let me ask you something real quick. Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing acne scars that just won't fade, no matter what you use? I've been there. I tried so many serums, creams, and toners that promised results, but didn't deliver. But when I switched to natural, consistent DIYs, things started changing. Slowly, but surely, my skin healed. So today, I'm sharing 5 simple masks that helped me fade acne scars over time. And guess what? I'm pretty sure you already have at least 2 or 3 ingredients at home, so you have no excuse not to try one tonight. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I post new videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's get into it. We're starting strong with a mask that's perfect for sensitive or inflamed skin. 1 tablespoon of oat flour, 1 teaspoon of coffee, and enough milk to form a paste. Oats are calming, soothing, and anti-inflammatory, ideal if your skin gets irritated easily. Coffee helps exfoliate that skin, boost circulation, and fade scars over time. And milk gives you that softness and glow thanks to its lactic acid. Pro tip: blend your oats into a super fine powder before using them. It makes the mask smoother and easier to apply. Apply to a clean, slightly damp face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove with circular motions for gentle exfoliation. This is my go-to when my skin feels textured and uneven. If you're dealing with acne marks, sunspots, or dull skin, this one's for you. 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, and parsley water. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, helping to fade pigmentation and brighten the skin. Chickpea flour exfoliates gently, while milk powder nourishes and hydrates. I have a full video on how to make parsley toner that pairs beautifully with this mask. I'll link it below. Apply for 20 minutes, then rinse. I love using this one in the evening when my skin needs a reset. This mask is so refreshing, especially if your skin is feeling hot, irritated, or inflamed from breakouts. You'll need juice from half a cucumber and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cucumber hydrates and soothes the skin, while cornstarch gently tightens pores and improves texture. To make this mask, pour the juice and the cornstarch into a pan, heat on low, and stir until it thickens into a gel. Let it cool completely before applying to a slightly damp skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask is great for fading red scars, especially during summer. This one is a repairing powerhouse. You'll need 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, and a little bit of milk if needed to adjust the texture. Egg yolk is rich in nutrients that support skin repair. Coffee brings exfoliation and glow, while cornstarch and milk powder smooths and tighten. Apply it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse gently. Your skin will feel noticeably softer and plumper. I love using this one once a week, especially if I've had breakouts or my skin looks tired. Perfect when your skin needs healing and deep nourishment. Last, but never the least, the brightening queen. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and a few drops of honey. Cornstarch is incredibly gentle and helps smooth the skin's texture while soaking up excess oil. Yogurt exfoliates and hydrates, and honey works its magic by healing and locking in that dewy moisture. Apply for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water to tighten and refresh your skin. This is my go-to pre-event mask when I want a soft, natural glow, no foundation needed. But Belarras, let me be real with you. Don't expect magic after 1 or 2 tries. If you're using these masks once a week and giving up after 5 days, you're not giving your skin a real chance. Your skin needs time, love, and consistency. Stick to any one of these masks for at least 3 weeks, and I promise you'll start noticing the change. Glow-ups don't happen overnight, but they do happen. You just have to keep showing up for yourself. So Belarras, no more waiting for that perfect product to show up and fix your skin. You already have the ingredients, you already have the solution. All that's missing is your consistency. Tell me in the comments which one you're going to try first. Or if you've already used any of them, I'd love to hear your results. And if you're serious about your skin journey, go binge the whole Glow Up Essentials playlist. Every video is linked in the description below. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with someone who needs a reminder that their glow up is one mask away. And of course, subscribe so you never miss a Belarra skin drop. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!